Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set Mozilla Firefox as your default browser on your MacBook, so every link you open goes straight to Firefox. Let's get started. First, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, then select System Settings. Once System Settings opens, scroll down in the left sidebar and click on Desktop and Dock. Now on the right side, scroll down until you find Default Web Browser. Click on the drop-down menu next to it, then select Firefox from the list. And that's it. Firefox is now set as your default browser. From now on, any link you click, whether it's from an email, a file, or another app, will automatically open in Firefox. Quick tip: if you don't see Firefox in the list, make sure it's installed and opened at least once on your Mac. Alright, that's it. Simple, quick, and done in just a few seconds. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple and practical Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.